which of the following chemical equations shows composition reaction? So, composition, combination, at saka synthesis. You are talking about many reactants to form a what? A single product. So, saan dito ang nakaporma tayo ng single product dyan? Sa letter C, Na2O. So, that is the answer po natin. Okay? So, composition, combination, or synthesis reaction, again, dalawang reactants, two or more reactants to form a single product. How about the other options? Okay, so again, NaO2 is to Na2O, that is composition, synthesis, or combination. How about the second one? What is that? Kikita nyo naman, merong nangyari dyan. What is happening on that equation? One, isa lang ang nalilipat due to reactivity. Yan yung single replacement. Okay, so let's have the other one. The third one, C2O, C2OH2 plus O2 is to CO2 plus H2O. Ano yan? Nakikita nyo naman dito, di ba na may oxygen dito? Kapag may oxygen dyan, may carbon dioxide at saka water na byproduct. So, yan is combustion reaction. Alright? How about the last one? Ang acid at saka base, it can form what? Salt at saka water. Neutralization.